Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TD Bank mobile app step by step clearly. To activate your TD Bank mobile app, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Next, open the app once it's installed. On the welcome screen, tap on the sign up or activate option. You will be prompted to enter your TD Bank account number. Type in your account number carefully and ensure it's correct. Next, input your date of birth in the required format. Now, enter your social security number, if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your user ID and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. After creating your credentials, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. You may receive an authentication code via email or SMS. Enter the code in the designated field to verify your identity. Once verified, you will gain access to the app. Explore the app features and customize settings according to your preferences. If you encounter any issues, visit the TD Bank support page for assistance. You are now ready to use your TD Bank mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.